Licensed professional teacher ako, pero ngayon, non-teaching personnel na sa gobyerno. Grabe, I just learned from the last video that I uploaded na ang dami-dami pala sa ating LPT ang either nag-shift na ng career or gusto palang mag-shift ng career, kagaya ni N. For those who are wanting to enter government service with their license as a professional teacher, let me tell you my story. In 2014, I passed the licensure examination for teachers, and then in 2016, I applied for Administrative Assistant 1 under job order status sa isang DOH hospital dito sa lokal namin. For those who do not know, yung job order status ay contractual basis po siya. After a few months ay nagkaroon ng publication for the same position, Administrative Assistant 1 Secretary under the Chief of Hospital, and then I applied for it. Noong panahon na yon, kakabuo pa lang or kaka-create pa lang ng mga bagong plantilla position sa hospital na pinagtatrabahuhan ko. Kaya naman ang dami-daming publication of vacancy that time. By then, I was really sure talaga na hindi sa akin yung pagtuturo. And when I assessed myself, my competencies, the closest career path that matched my skill set was office work, documentation, communication, coordination. Kaya naman, I'm very grateful for the opportunity or yung mga publication of vacancy during that time. So, I started at salary grade 7. And then, after 2 years, nagkaroon ulit ng opening for Administrative Assistant 3, which is salary grade 9. I applied for it, and na-promote ako for the first time. At that point, ramdam kong nakikita ng management yung trabaho ko. And that gave me sense of fulfillment. After 2 years, ay nagkaroon ulit ng publication of vacancy for Administrative Officer 2 position, which is salary grade 11. Again, I applied and luckily promoted for the second time. Then after 2 years, an unexpected twist happened. A unit supervisor or unit head resigned from her position. One day, my boss talked to me. Clueless talaga ako, hindi ko alam kung ano yung pag-uusapan. And then, she offered me the position of OIC noong unit na iiwan nung supervisor or unit head na nag-resign. Of course, I was shocked, but at that time, I felt valued, trusted, and appreciated. So, I accepted the offer. I served as the officer in charge of the planning unit, and then eventually, I was appointed to Administrative Officer 4 position, which is salary grade 15. Then in 2025, just last year, I was promoted again to Planning Officer 3, which is salary grade 18. All throughout my career, I did my best, walang backer. Just pure grit, hard work, and support and guidance from my mentors and supervisors. If you are an LPT who feels lost, unsure, and afraid to shift, this is your sign. There is life beyond the classroom, and growth is always possible. I hope this helps, and if it does, do not forget to repost and share.